What's going on, Meta fam? We are here because we got a Nextbridge press release. That's right. So we want to cover that here in today's video. Hope you all enjoy. Go ahead and smash thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Okay, so a quick summary of this press release. Here it is. You can see Nextbridge Hydrocarbons provides statements regarding its spinoff. Holders are encouraged to review the prospectus. So you got the actual form here, and then you got the actual press release of it here. A quick summary. If you don't feel like reading the whole thing, this is Tony, our buddy Market Moves, gives his opinion. This means that broker-dealers owe MMTLP shares to NBH shares. If they cannot deliver NBH shares, it is now the broker's problem. FINRA has failed their broker, dealer, and investors. Broker-dealers must now deliver those shares. Very bullish here. Tony says, how does this affect things today? Rosa's case and Richard's case just got a huge boost. Brokers have to provide the private Nextbridge hydrocarbon shares to investors. The only place they can buy them is from NBH or shareholders. Circular fingers pointing ends, music stopped. Thank you again, Tony, for your quick update here, and I agree with this actually. It's a quick summary. Now, if you feel like staying here for the rest of this here, we will read this. I'm going to deactivate the camera. We're going to zoom in on this bad boy, and we're going to read it together and give thoughts and opinions as we read over it. So let's get to it. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to zoom in on this bad boy and get as about big as we can here. All right. Here it says Fort Worth, February 16, 2023, Nextbridge Hydrocarbons, a private oil and gas exploration and production company with interests in Texas and Oklahoma, today provided below summary in connection with its spinoff on December 14, 2022, from MetaMaterials to address certain inquiries from our shareholders. Immediately after the spinoff, the company became an independent public reporting company, and the company's common stock is not and will not be publicly traded and will not be eligible for electronic transfer through the DTC, book entry system, or any other established clearing corporation. So my quick thoughts and opinion on this is could be why brokerages are currently setting up different CUSIP numbers because, yeah, Nextbridge hydrocarbon shares will not be publicly traded. But these CUSIP numbers, these placeholders that are in the brokerages right now can be possibly traded. We just did a video earlier talking about how Schwab has announced possibly May 11th could be a trading date starting on their brokerage. There's also rumors about Fidelity. I'm hoping to get more clarification from other brokerages if they plan on possibly trading these CUSIP numbers, which are the Nextbridge hydrocarbon shares. At the time of the spinoff, Meta distributed 165,472,241 shares of the outstanding shares of the company's common stock held by on a pro rata basis to holders of Meta's Series A non-voting preferred stock. Each share of Meta's Series A non-voting preferred stock outstanding as of close of business December 12, 2022, the record date for the spinoff, entitled its holders to receive one share of the company's common stock. At the time of the spinoff, the current executive officers of the company did not own any of Meta's Series A non-voting preferred stock. There is currently no public market for our common stock, and there is no current expectation for a public market to develop for the common stock. The transfer agent and register for our common stock is the American Stock Transfer and Trust Company, AST. AST has distributed all the shares of our common stock related to the spinoff either directly to any stockholders that held their shares directly registered with AST or our shareholders' bank, broker, or nominee representatives. For questions relating to mechanics of the distribution of shares resulting from the spinoff or matters related to subsequent transfer of shares of common stock, you should review the prospectus referenced below or contact AST shareholders, and it gives the AST information here. They are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and it gives the phone number here, and it gives the email. It says here, by registering the shares of common stock in connection with the spinoff, we became subject to reporting obligations under the Exchange Act, which includes filing an annual report on Form 10-K, quarterly reports on Form 10-Q, and current reports on Form 8K. The company expects to file Form 10K for the year end December 31st, 2022 with the SEC pursuant to the SEC's reporting requirements on or before March 31st, 2023. So we're going to get an update here in the next about month and a half. Official update from Nextbridge themselves. We recognize that some of our shareholders who own Meta Series A non-voting preferred stock prior to the spinoff may have been affected by FINRA's halting of the trading, and that the stock, while the company was still wholly owned and controlled by Meta, the trading halt, the current board and officers of the company have no information from FINRA regarding the trading halt other than information in the public notice published by FINRA announcing the trading halt. Further, FINRA did not provide any advance notice to the company or Meta prior to its initiating the trading halt. While we were not involved in the trading halt, I like how they put that here. While we were not involved in the trading halt, we certainly empathize with anyone adversely affected by the trading halt and are assessing the matter. Guys, they are looking into this. Trust me, it says it right here. Affected by the trading halt and are assessing. They're looking into it, which we know they are. George is down there at the FINRA. John Berta, has the flamethrower. We got Wes Christian. We got everyone on this. The company believes our primary means delivering shareholder value is to develop our interest in the Oro Grande Basin and remain focused on this objective. For a complete description of the company and the spinoff, please refer to the respective dated November 18, 2022. Accordingly, in the future, the company is expected to more fully address certain operational and financial updates related to the company's business. To receive timely emails with respect to these corporate developments, please visit nextbridgehydrocarbons.com and complete the email alert investor form. You may also choose to follow on social media channels on Twitter at NB Hydrocarbons on Twitter and Nextbridge Hydrocarbons on LinkedIn. And here you can see it gives the whole breakdown here. Let's see. Yeah, we can go over this real quick. About Nextbridge Hydrocarbons. The company is an independent public reporting energy company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and or development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. Our primary focus has been to develop the interest in oil and gas project consisting of 134,000 gross acres we hold in the Oro Grande Basin in West Texas and Hudspeth County, Texas. In addition, we have minor interests in the eastern edge of the Midland Basin in Texas and 2 minor well interests in Oklahoma. Please visit nextbridgehydrocarbons.com for more information. So, and down here you can also contact Dennett Lascar at Investor Relations at Nextbridge at dennettlascar.com. So it has that right here. Right in this email here, you can sign up for email alerts and you can contact the Nextbridge Investor Relations guy right here. So pretty good stuff, guys. Like I said, I think Tony pretty much summed it up real quick here in this post. I agree with what he said. Basically a big FU here to the broker-dealers and everyone that they're going to still owe this regardless. So they're going to have to figure out how they're going to get this. So I think this is leading up to possible trading. Will it be that May 11th? Will it be a different date? I don't know. All we can do is go by what the brokers tell us, and we can ask them, and they're going to put notices out, and that's what we covered there in Bezos' post yesterday. So comment down below. What do y'all think is going to happen in this bad boy? I think trading is going to be starting. And we'll see what other brokerages tell us as well. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Catch you all next video, guys. Peace.